Is gold preparing for a spike? As you can see on the lower time frame, gold is slowly creating a pattern that is very predictable. And this unpredictable instrument, what I think that now preparing for a breakdown to grab liquidity before it starts its bull run as monthly close coming tomorrow. There is a big event, so let's see what gold is trying to do. I will be first of all looking at the higher time frame to see overall direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto the lower time frame to see how the market is doing. Looking at the monthly chart, what we can see that gold is a long-term bull market. We can see that there is an inverted head and shoulder in that area, had a very strong breakout. There is a doji here on the monthly on February, followed by this month was crazily bullish. You can see it's a full body green candle, and whenever the price was coming for a deeper pullback, we saw the buyers are buying this market, which is a sign that gold might create a new higher high in that direction. If I look at the weekly chart, there is a weekly shooting star. Probably you guys have seen the weekly forex forecast. This is what exactly expected. What we can see that with the market open, gold still didn't test this support level. If I draw this weekly support and also the weekly low and this weekly low, we can find a significant opportunity after a deeper pullback. This is the weekly candle, so far is bullish. And if I take the 50% of the previous weekly candle, we can see the price just tested the 50% and slowly trying to reject from that level. Dropping down to the daily time frame to see how the price is doing, we can see that from the daily perspective, this is a very interesting bullish structure. There was a huge bullish impulse here. We have seen that from the daily and couple of days of consolidation and pullback, and we saw that gold has made another bounce. Slowly it has come down for a pullback, tested this previous resistance, which is the smart money zone, as a support, and gold is trying to bounce back to the upside as there is a very high impact news coming in couple of hours. Also FOMC members will speak. What I think that gold with that volatility, we might see a spike down, which is a probability to happen on gold to test this 20 EMA. And there is a high liquidity in that zone as this market is approaching an all-time high. What I think that gold might break any of this low and might push back up to the upside to create a new higher high. From the lower time frame, we can see that this is a very smooth support level, and the market has not made enough false breakdown here in that zone. Therefore there is a high liquidity. This is the daily support that I'm expecting gold to come down and to retest. So if we look at very lower time frame from the 1 hour perspective, we can see that this market is merging into one point. So if we draw this trend line here, this is a resistance level, and also this is a support level here, and the price is marching into that point. As there is even coming, what I think that at some point we could see that gold may continue to drop in that level where there is a daily 20 EMA, and also it's a very significant level of support. There is a high liquidity. As the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, we'll be waiting for gold to retest this level. If gold managed to drop during this time, we will be waiting for the opportunity to take a big buy from here for this potential move to the upside with a high probability trade setup. On the other hand, if we see that gold hasn't dropped here but instead gathering liquidity from this level, if we see a complete breakout on a retest, if we see a rejection from this level, also we can look for potential bullish opportunity. As it is a long term bull market, we will always be looking to buy gold with a proper price action confirmation. Traders, if you enjoy this analysis, don't hesitate to leave a like and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.